Welcome. If you're wondering how to allow automatic downloads permission on the Facebook app when using it on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to get this updated feature working smoothly, so media files can be downloaded automatically without any extra hassle. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You'll want to make sure you've got the latest version installed to access the most up-to-date settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots icon. This will open the app's options menu where you'll find some handy tools and settings. From that menu, select App Info. This will take you directly into the system settings for the Facebook app. Once you're in, scroll down and enter into Settings. This is where you'll be able to change how Facebook behaves on your device. Next, tap on More Settings and Permissions. This section includes various controls over what Facebook is allowed to do with your files, notifications, and downloads. Now, here's what you're looking for. Just next to Automatic Downloads, you'll see a toggle or drop-down option. Click on it and choose Allow. This gives the Facebook app permission to automatically download media files like photos or videos sent to you or uploaded to your feed, making your experience more seamless and efficient. And that's it. Once enabled, Facebook will start automatically downloading content, so you won't need to manually approve each download. This is especially convenient if you're frequently sent content or manage pages that include a lot of media. Remember to always keep your app updated to avoid issues and access the newest features. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up and check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your apps. See you next time.